What's up, SWAT Ammo 2000? I have to make this video quickly because it's pretty darn late from the time I'm recording. So I might have to cut some Z's pretty darn soon. I know I said darn, well, now I said thrice in the video, but okay. So this conspiracy that y'all have been looking for, or two. Or at least part of it. You see, I was looking for some research and then I realized, yeah, I mean, not all. I mean, some of this is proven true, but maybe not 100% of it. But if you want me to use my own creativity, I guess I can do that. Alright, so now one of them says that now it is true that Hitler did have Jewish roots. I will not mention as to who made this comment. And there's this other comment that said that cancer apparently was introduced after the American Civil War. Now that means that cancer is just a cell that refused to die and will keep on dividing and dividing and dividing until I don't know what. So, in other words, pretty much it's immortal cells. So, now theoretically, that should have existed for millions of years, but the person who suggested this comment is a fan of believing that this person made... Well, actually, the U.S. is at fault for the invention or disease of cancer, which honestly is bioweaponry, and if they used bioweaponry as early as 1865, they would have probably been able. Why wouldn't they have used it in the First World War, the Second World War, or the Cold War, or any other wars that the U.S. was in, or that recent war that has been taking over the entire 21st century? I don't know what it's called, but somewhere in the Middle East. Wait a second. Alright, so if you look in the 19th century... Alright, so if you look in the 19th century, the main stuff of the decade happened in North America, specifically the U.S., the Civil War, the Industrial Revolution, all that stuff. So all the stuff that took place in the first half of the 20th century took place in Europe, both the First and Second World Wars. The first one was apparently the war to end all wars, which, as we know, didn't go well because the Treaty of Versailles was unfair to Germany, and so Hitler came up and decided that he was going to purge certain groups because he thought they were guilty, so he could create his own Aryan race and take over the world or something like that. By the way, if this is offending anyone, I sincerely apologize. This video is not meant to be offensive in any way, shape, or form. And so that's our World War II in our words.